Add a material on which to apply the FX layer. Choose the material to use as FX layer. At the moment all PBR texture-based materials can be used as FX layer. We will try to create a greenery effect on stone block material. The FX levels are set to dynamic mask paint by default. They will already appear fully painted on the base material. The layer is set to be displayed sparsely. This is due to the fact that each layer has its own FX mask, usually it is a grayscale map. It can be excluded with the Exclude Mask button. The From Min-Max property allows you to shift the range values of the black and white mask map. The Fill Black and White buttons allow you to fill, or completely hide, the FX layer. It works exactly like texture paint. You can paint, erase, with the two buttons, Paint, Unpaint. To modify the brush, click on the Paint Tools button.